Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the FACEIT AC IOMMU Disabled warning on the both Intel and AMD systems.
Fix 1. Enable IOMMU/VT D/SVM in BIOS Step 1. Restart PC and enter BIOS/UEFI DL/F2. Step 2. Open Advanced/Advanced BIOS features. Step 3. Intel enable VTD. Step 4. AMD enable SVM mode and IOMMU. Step 5. Save and exit BIOS. Fix 2. Enable virtualization in Windows. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape Task Manager. Step 2. Open Performance CPU. Step 3. Check virtualization equals enabled. Step 4. If disabled, enable it from BIOS. Fix 3. Enable Hyper-V in Virtual Machine Platform. Step 1. Press 1 plus R, type optional features. Step 2. Enable Hyper-V. Step 3. Enable Virtual Machine Platform. Step 4. Click OK, restart PC. Fix 4. Enable Memory Integrity. Windows Security. Step 1. Open Windows Security. Step 2. Go to Device Security. Step 3. Click Core Isolation Details. Step 4. Turn on Memory Integrity. Step 5. Restart PC. Fix 5. Reinstall FACEIT Anti-Cheat. Step 1. Uninstall FACEIT Anti-Cheat. Step 2. Restart PC. Step 3. Download and install latest FACEIT AC. Step 4. Run FACEIT AC as administrator.